Alright, I'm about to get this wheel put together, but Josh just got done with our painted parts. They turned out pretty good. I'm ready to get this thing buttoned together and take it for our first ride. Here we go. Well, trying to get the rotor off, I snapped off every T40 Torx I had. So, looks like those rotors are staying on there. Need them to go on there. So I'm just going to start working on the back part of it. Get these bars changed out with street glide ones, and try to get the rear fender mounted and lights on it and stuff.
Feels like heaven's come down. In this moment I'm stuck in the fire. Something went terribly wrong. Time you beyond your own. It's almost the only one carrying the fire.
And now's the perfect time to go ahead and throw on these new mufflers. They'll go great with our black exhaust. And these other ones are kind of ratty looking anyway.
Leashes are falling like rain. Lost the fact that we're all the same. Give the fallen aside. Moving, but we're falling behind. There's almost the only one carrying the fire. I'm starting to really call you now. What is lost, we can't deny the shame.
So I'm going to start out with the spacers the same way they came off, and just see how close we are. Hopefully we get lucky. If not, we'll swap them around and go from there. Some of y'all that watch my other videos, you've seen how I put the camera straight here, mount the fender overlay. But I just take these, what do you call them? Little spikes you get from Home Depot. They're like 10 bucks for a pack of 12. But I take these, I cut off the top of it, and then I'll drill a hole at the top and at the bottom. And then one I'll mount underneath my stud on the rear fender right here, and the other one I'll just drill a hole and then put my fender over it and stick a bolt underneath the tag through here. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and make this one real quick. Now this will go on to your stud there, and then the bracket goes on just behind. Anyway, just like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting together the rest of this back end real quick. Our lowering kit comes with new bolts and washers and stuff. And I think we'll go down to the second lowest setting on here. That's usually what I go with. The second hole back. Now I'm going to go ahead and get the Ziz wheel out and get these, see if it'll focus, studs chopped off of there real quick. And then we'll get the license plate deletes put on too. Alright, finally got our wheel and tire mounted and the fender clearance so that they're not rubbing anymore. Brakes are all tightened up. We go back here to the back side so we can try to button this thing up. The shocks are on backwards. That's supposed to be on the front, so we'll go ahead and swap those around and put the lowering kit on it while we're there before we put the mufflers and everything on it. But yeah, we're gonna get the rest of the bags, the bag supports, and get the lights wired up. I don't know what the heck that is. I've never even seen that before. It's like a trailer harness or something. But yeah, we'll get our new module and lights wired up, get them glued on, get the fender mounted, and get our bags put together. Alright, so gotten a few things done. Went ahead and got the lowering kit tightened up, the rest of the bag supports all tightened up, got the turn signal module on and mounted or wired up to tail light harness, and got the top bolt and seat put on and mounted up there. So just got to drill a hole to our mount that's underneath there and glue on our tail lights, and should be able to mount the bags and take for a spin.
Okay guys, we're out here with Twinkie wrapping up the last little bit. I think he's pinning the bags on now. I'm gonna let him walk you around and show you the bike so y'all can see what it looks like.
The color turned out pretty good.
Good too. I like it now.
Yeah, it looks good.
It looks really good. It's really eye-catching, noticeable.
The new mufflers sound awesome too.
That's a wrap for this bike. We've got some really cool projects coming to show y'all, so make sure you like,